Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add Google Maps location to Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Google Maps application, and after we have our Google Maps application opened, we can select a location we would like to add to Instagram. And here I'm just going to pick random location. For example, I'm going to add this location. We can click on the location like this, and we have to copy the link of this location. We can click on this share option right here, and we can click on the copy to clipboard, and now the link has been copied to clipboard, and we're going to open our Instagram application. Okay, we have to go to our profile, click on edit profile, and we're going to add the Google Maps link to our profile. We can click on add link right here. Okay, then click on add external link, and we're going to paste the link right here. We can tap and hold, and we can click on paste, and you can also add the title. For example, I'm going to add home, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now we just need to go back to check it. Alright, and now as you can see that the Google Maps location has been added to this Instagram profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can add Google Maps location to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.